This 2018 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Eclipse is 33 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 8, spare tire kit, TV, smoke detector, DVD player, refrigerator, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, awning, water heater, leveling jacks, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG is 7,280 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.